Hello guys, welcome to the tutorial of crochet lily flower. To start off, we are going to make a magic circle, or you can also make a slip knot. And then we are going to make 11 chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now for round 2, we are going to make 1 single crochet in each chain. That means 10 single crochets. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, third one. We are going to repeat this until the end of our round. If you are new to crochet and stitches are hard for you to understand, you can go and check it out my channel. You can find beginner friendly tutorials. And we are almost at the end of our round. 9 and the last one 10. Here we go. Second round is done. Now we are going to make another same petal. That means 11 chains, and then we are going to make 10 single crochets in those 11 chains. Second single crochet, third single crochet, fourth single crochet, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, 8, 9 and the last one 10. We have to make another one petal. Here we go. Here are the 3 petals. Now we'll join this by the first chain that we made in first petal. We'll make a slip stitch. Now for the increase round, we are going to start with the sideways of our first petal. First we'll make a single crochet in the first chain. Then we'll make 1 half double crochet and then another half double crochet, and then we'll make 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. Here we go. First half double crochet in that stitch and another half double crochet we'll make in the same stitch. Here we go. And in the next 3 chains we are going to make 1 single crochet. Here we go. First one, second one and then third one. Now in next 2 chains we are going to make slip stitches. We have 4 slip stitch and then second slip stitch. Now we have to make a slip stitch at the top chain, and then we'll make another chain and we'll do slip stitch at the under chain. And here we go. Now we'll turn our work sideways and we'll make 2 slip stitches in next 2 chains. First slip stitch and then second slip stitch, and then we are going to make 3 single crochets in next 3 chains. First single crochet, second single crochet and third single crochet. And in the next stitch we are going to make 2 half double crochets. Here we go. First half double crochet and then second half double crochet. And in next 2 stitches we are going to make 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and in the next stitch we are going to make another half double crochet, and in the last remaining stitch we'll make a slip stitch. Here we go, a slip stitch. That's it. We are done with our first petal. Look how stunning it is. We have to repeat the same pattern for next 2 petals as well. To do that, we are first going to join the 2 petals by doing a slip stitch, and then we'll start with 1 single crochet And in the next 2 stitches we are going to make 2 half double crochets. One half double crochet and 2 half double crochet, and in the next stitch we are going to make 2 half double crochets. That means 2 half double crochets in one stitch. Here we go, second one. In the next 3 stitches we are going to make 3 single crochets. First single crochet, second single crochet and third single crochet. And in the next 2 stitches we'll make 2 slip stitch. First slip stitch and second slip stitch. You have to make another slip stitch at the top chain, and then we'll make a chain over there and we'll do a slip stitch at the bottom chain. And in next 2 stitches we'll make another 2 slip stitches. First slip stitch, second slip stitch. These slip stitches give our petal a sharp and pointy look. And in next 3 stitches we'll make 3 single crochets. 2 single crochet, and here we go, third one. And in the next stitch 2 half double crochets. First half double crochet and second half double crochet in the same stitch. And in the next 2 stitches we are going to make 1 half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, and in the next stitch another half double crochet. And in the last stitch we are going to make a slip stitch. We'll join 2 petals by making a slip stitch. And here we go, we are done with second petal. Now we have to repeat the same pattern for the third petal. That's it, this is how our petal will look like. Now we have to make 2 of these sets. Now the attachment part is left. Before that we have to make pollen of our petal. I'm using a yellow thread for that. To do that we have to double the thread and make a knot on the top of the thread. We can make any knot, French knot, normal knot, and just cut out the thread. Make sure to leave long end to sew the thread. Now we are just going to insert it from the center of our both the petals, and then with yarn needle we are going to secure both the petals at a place. We have to attach them so that they don't move from their place, and we have our desired position of our petals. And that's it, we just have to roll the edges of our petals. I'm using a pen to roll it out, but you can use straightener as it gives much more detailed and crisp look to our petals. Repeat this to all the petals until you are satisfied with the position of the flower. Adjust everything until it looks good, and please be gentle with it.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Anyways, here are the end results. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.